We know that the COVID-19 pandemic has had an important impact on education worldwide. Most of the educational institutions have had to change from on-site teaching to online, digital, remote, and distance teaching. And we all questioned whether it has been effective or not. For online learning to be effective, much more emphasis has to be placed on independent learning, which requires self-monitoring. It is important for students to remain familiar with hybrid learning settings, not only because of a pandemic, but because of the changes in the cultural and educational context. As this familiarity will allow students to learn more on their own by using online learning tools and to become more autonomous, online teaching process needs a good degree of empowerment, teacher follow-up, and accessory tools for self-assessment. Okay, but which digital competencies do teachers need? The National Education Association describes the teaching skills for online instruction as understanding the language of online education, preparing course documents in the content management systems, CMS, using CMS elements, technology, and internet resources effectively to facilitate course design, designing, evaluating, and delivering online courses, communicating an appropriate online tone during course delivery, fostering student-student discussion and collaboration. Finally, providing appropriate and timely feedback to students. They seem pretty easy, right? I have all these skills to teach virtually, but do you think I can keep my students engaged? Not always. That's why here are some tips for virtual teachers. Search for connection with each individual when entering the virtual room. Use tools for live polls and surveys to encourage participants to exchange ideas, thoughts, and reactions. Use group works so that participants know they will be called to cooperate with each other. Use the join or reaction buttons such as raise hand, green check mark, red X, or emoticons to solicit responses. Ask open-ended questions to favor inclusion and develop critical concepts. Monitor who has already spoken so as to call who hasn't yet answered. Write down the comments people make and then refer to what people have said. Welcome the latecomers using private chats. Narrate attention-grabbing anecdotes to facilitate the transmission of knowledge.